Kennedy Tower, helicopter 410, Tango Delta.
Helicopter 410, Tango Delta, Kennedy Tower, hello.
Tango Delta with you, Falcon 0332. We have the traffic in front of us. It's sight reaching visual headed to HTO.
410, Tango Delta, roger. That traffic is also heading to East Hampton. You can proceed eastbound below the cloud several airspace. Cross to wing turbulence, all types are overhead. Kennedy altimeter 3033.
Proceed eastbound. Solid traffic. Caution wait, 410, Tango Delta.
410, Tango Delta, additional traffic about your 1 o'clock and 3 miles northbound, 1,200 on verified, type unknown. Thank you.
$279, Kennedy Tower, 1 direct line of wings. Kennedy Tower.
Ground area 901 Heavy gate is still occupied.
$279, 180, Niner, we want direct, let's take off.
Yeah, we monitor 219 area 901.
Boy 3716, flying to 185, contact next departure, good day.
Right turn 185, contact departure today, Envoy 3716.
Hotel Foxtrot traffic just south of Marine Parkway Bridge, 400 feet unverified, type unknown, westbound. 179 Mike Tango, same for you. Traffic just south of Marine Parkway Bridge at 400 feet unverified, type unknown, westbound. Thank you.
Bravo, right, down there. Runway 1 direct, let's take off. Let's take off 1 direct, Marker 2773, Kennedy Tower, 1 direct, line of wing. Marker 279, flying 170, contact near departure, good day.
170, heading departure, good day, American 279.
410 Tango Delta, traffic 11 o'clock and 3 miles westbound, 500 feet unverified, type unknown.
Sight reaching visual 0, Tango Delta, Dinosaur.
Thanks. Minus 20 traffic, 1 o'clock and 3 miles, obstruction, helicopter 500.
50, the traffic is sight.
Helicopter 3 Hotel Foxtrot, please helicopter, 1 o'clock and 2 miles, obstruction, 200 has vehicle.
13 Hotel Fox, searching for that traffic.
55, flying 185, contact near departure, good day.
Heading 185 over departure, Delta 455, good day. That's New Tower, Delta 407 with you, 3 miles from the coast.
Good. On head. On right.
Little land 135, Delta 407.
All opposite direction. The first one's at 500, the second one's got a mile and trail to him at 500.
13 Hotel Fox, how's that traffic stay? We'll maintain visual.
C473, 180 runway 1 direct, let's take off.
Delta, we have the westbound helicopter at the shoreline. That will maintain visual as well.
410 Tango Delta, thanks. 13 Hotel Foxtrot, Marine Parkway Bridge, including attending class 4 airspace, you can proceed as previously requested at or below 800.
At or below 800, cleared into the Class B, 13 Hotel Fox.
runway 13 X, let's take off. Sarah 415, Kenny Tower, runway 13 line up lane.
Tower JetBlue 560, 5 outside assault, 13 left. Clear to land, 13 left, JetBlue 560.
Bravo Alpha. Sarah 415 and 190 at 8, runway 13 X, let's take off.
408.
Delta. Runway 22.
2 left, clear to land, Delta 408. Good morning, good day. I'm sorry, I might have missed 407, click. 27.
Bailey 902. Bailey. Get available. Back here.
Slow it down, JetBlue 560.
Hotel Foxtrot, contact me, approach 125.7.
Sarah 415, flighting 185, continue departure, good day.
Continue departure to Sarah 415, thank you. Stay.
Walk 2666.
Central Fox, David Class Bravo, Airspace Base, 710 range, squawk V5, 3.2.
4102, Kenny Tower, 13 at line up lane.
V5, 3.2.